everybody. Happy weekend from wherever you're watching. Want to show you how I have been given stickers, sent stickers, or I bought them myself. This one was Orange Beach. That's the Alabama Zoo right there. And I've been to the Brevard Zoo. That's the one my brother gave me. I got this one when me and my daughter went out to eat. And then I've got these fine lovelies over here. Rosa Parks Museum. Yes, I've been there. Thank you very much for sending me that one. One of my subscribers. Been to Tennessee State Park. Not going to even talk about that one. That was a sore spot. Had another one, but it was not really car wash worthy. And then I just recently picked up that one from Louisiana. Bass Pro Shops. Been to actually a few of them around the United States. And then this fine place right here fixed my guitar when I did have it. That was in Bradenton, Florida. So if you're in South Florida or on the East Coast, check them out. They're really good. And then, of course, my ultimate favorite is my Florabama. Established in 1962. It's a package store, a restaurant, and that's where Alabama residents come over the border and buy lottery. Because Florida has lottery and Alabama does not. And tell you how much I loved Alabama. When I went there, I got a license plate, and actually this has been a very large conversation piece through the 2 years that I've had it. A lot of stories behind this. You should look it up, Google it. Okay, so here's another part of the video. I have a piece that I'm going to show you that I bought off of Amazon. This piece was very interesting, as a matter of fact. Okay, so there's two pieces I would like to show you today. One of them is for the sunroof. Now, if you guys have a sunroof on your van or your car or whatever you drive, I suggest that, and I recommend that you do get this piece. It has come in handy multiple times, and it's definitely a good investment. So what it is, it's for your sunroof, and it's magnetized screen. It's a magnetized screen. And of course you have to look at the sizes that you buy. But mine is for my van. So let me show you how it goes. Wanted to make sure it was on. And that's how it looks. And when you open it, the magnet, it's on the outside, so it won't interrupt the in and out, open and close of your sunroof. So that's one. The other is if you have a solar panel. Now, solar panels come in all kinds of different shapes and sizes, but mine is pretty more convenient. Let me show you. And this is the magnetic screen that goes all the way across. and it still has room. It goes all the way to the end. And then when I plug it up from the back, and then I'll show you what else I do to it. It's a pretty nifty piece. It's, of course, portable. I put it right through this window here, the cords, and then right here is like a little shelf with a cup holder inside, and I set the battery pack right on top of it. This is the one that I have, the Rockpal 250, and that's where I put the solar in. And of course it has two USBs where I can charge my phone or whatever else, and then it has two prongs, which you can't really see, but it has two prongs. So it has two of the electrical. And I put it right inside this door, right in here. This is a table. I just stick it right there and I hook it up and it gets charged. But right now, it is fully charged. So a couple other things that I wanted to show you, which right now my van is kind of tore apart because I'm not on the road at the moment. But this one has, this particular model, 2010 Chrysler Town & Country Stow and Go, has where the seats go in the floor. And I took out the seats. So the other thing I wanted to share with you today was a nifty little idea I got off of one of the YouTubers. Was the windows. I would roll down the window, and of course it would be black on the outside, but I want to show you. These are rain guards. All they are is rain guards. And they have this little lip, and what you do is you put the window in it and you just roll it up. But of course I spray painted it black so it's incognito, so I can have more airflow. So I do these two doors, and it cost me about $4. So I stick these back here whenever they're not in use. And I also have my toolboxes underneath this plank. I have two toolboxes. And then over here, I have my car stuff, you know, and my oh shit stuff. And then I have my duffel bag, which has the first aid kit stuff in it. And I have my little camping fanny pack. And all my windows have reflectix, which of course are not really into play right now because I'm really not trying to be stealth at the moment. But that's, and I also have a cargo net on the top that has like maps and hats and mittens and extra barrettes and any kind of paperwork that I would need to where I'm traveling. I have extra lights. I have hats hanging there. And I also have the curtain up front. And then on this side, which I have reflectix in the window as well, I have made these. And they just stick right inside the slot where that factory screen is. And then I still have my cot set up with my yoga mats, and I really like this type. I have extra bags. I have extra clothes bags because I've done laundry. I've got extra bags just in case, you know, I go somewhere like Aldi's and shop where you would need them. And then I also have tire foam, which I started cleaning the van, and I have all my cups. This is supposed to be gone, but these are all my cups, all my coffee cups, my water cups. I have one with a carabiner to carry with me. Yeah, and I also have sunglasses. I have a, oh my God, I got a brain fart, dream catcher on each side of the van. Every entrance has protection. And of course, you can see I have maps and stuff in the cargo net and my belts. So that's basically what I have in the van for right now. So I just wanted to share with you a few things that I have been wanting to share with you. And this is definitely the place to do it. Plus, I also always carry a first aid kit. And I always replenish it. That's for my up front. And then I also have a new one now. Yeah, and this costs like $5 and it has its own zipper. So there's only a few things that, I've taken out to rearrange, and I'll probably be doing more videos when I have more in the van and I resituate it and restock it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. If you liked the video, click the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, you should subscribe because I've got more coming and more to share. And I've got more travel videos that I'm editing and I'm going to be putting up from all my travels. And there's a butterfly. Beautiful. All right, until next time, take care.